Yippee! Now we have our solution ready. Now the fun part is to pour this into the molds. Now, before I want to mention, make sure that you have your molds clean. There should not be any dust particles even on it because wahi fir resin se chipक and you don't want that. So, let's get to it.
Now we have our resin already ready. So हम यहाँ पे हम pigments देखेंगे. We have 3 pigments here. One is golden, red and black. I'm going to use 3 of them. So I'm going to take my eco-friendly plates here and divide the resin into 3 parts. So here I am pouring all the resin into the plate because I don't want even one drop to go to waste. I'm gonna use it all. So now I'm going to mix this pigment powder. This one is golden. I'm only going to take a pinch of it using the spoon's back. And there we go. Here is golden. Here is a red. And last but not the least, the shiniest black. Look at the color. So now let's get mixing. Look at this color, look at the glitter it has. This is going to make our resin art look so beautiful. Now let's mix our red. Wow, this red is like really so lavish. And the last, black. Black is like my favorite, so we're definitely going to make something out of this one. And here all of 3 raisins are ready. Now let's pour it into our molds.
So let's start pouring. I'm going to take my first red raisin and pour it into our mold. This is going to be a pendant. Now my other colored raisin is golden. And the third is black. You can see how shiny it looks. You can also mix raisins if you want. Like this one I have mixed red and golden. And that is done. So once you have your pour ready, keep it aside at a place where there are other movements now with you because we don't want any dust or flies to get into it. This will probably take 24 to 48 hours to completely cure. So let's keep it aside.